Hello guys, welcome back to Whichever Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix camera is not working on a Windows 10. So first of all, what you have to do is you just have to go here and you have to go to settings. Now from here you have to search for camera. And from here you just have to go for here and make sure that the allow apps to access your camera is enabled. Right, you have to enable this. So this is the first step what you have to do. So you have to enable this. So you just have to enable this like this, right? So as you can see that in some cases, in some app, it is I have been given the permission. So if you want the respective app to get the access to the camera, then you have to give the permissions. So this is the first step what you have to do. Moving on, after trying this, if it's not working, then you have to move to the next step, which is quite common. You just have to click over here and go to properties. And now from here you have to go to device manager. Now from here in the device manager you will be having the respective driver of the camera. You have to uninstall the respective camera. So I'll be showing with one example. So you have to select the respective one. For example, if it's the drivers of camera, you have to right click and go for uninstall the devices. And once after uninstalling, you have to click over here in the action, then go for scan for hardware changes. Then you'll be getting the respective one. Then you can go for update the driver. This is the first what you have to do. After trying this, after uninstalling and reinstalling, if it's not working, then you have to update your driver. And to do this, you just have to right click on the respective camera icon. You just have to click on this and click on the respective one and go for update driver. So it will get updated the drivers, and in some cases it will work, and if it's not working, then you just have to download the respective camera driver of your PC with the configuration, the respective model number from the Google, so you can download it and you can install it. And most probably by trying out all these four, it will be helping you out. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. And if you have any doubts, do ask in the comment sections. We will get back to you. And this is Shahin officially signing off from Get Tips. Here, practice social distance, be safe and stay safe.